In this video, I am about to share the latest poppyai discount code. To get started, simply head over to the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Next, you need to scroll down and then click on this Get poppyai button. This will take you to the checkout page. Here on the right side, you'll see the pricing options. Simply choose the plan that you want to continue with. I personally recommend to go ahead with the lifetime plan. Next, click on this Have a Coupon option. Here, you need to enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. The coupon code is poppyai25, and it will give you a $25 discount on your order. This may not seem like a lot, but this is the best discount available right now. Poppyai is making a lot of buzz among online businesses, and due to the high demand, they are getting a lot of customers. Not only that, they are also increasing the price of the tool. Last time when I checked the website a few days ago, it was only available for $299. But now, it costs $399 for the same plan. The price may increase more in the future, so this is the right time for you to secure this tool at the current price. In fact, by the time you are watching this video, the price may have gone up already. So, make sure to secure this tool as soon as possible. I personally recommend you to go ahead with the lifetime deal of poppyai. And if you want to support this channel, you can use our affiliate link, which is given in the video description. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.